All right, so first, it's my first time removing this headliner. I've never done it before. So I've seen a few videos, but they really kind of don't tell you how to remove the damn headliner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and guess my way. But I'm assuming we have to remove all these clips right here. If you have the mega cab, obviously it will be these right here. And if not, it will be just the ones behind this right here. So okay guys, I'm just assuming, okay, we will confirm that. I believe these are all Phillips. I believe that one's Phillips too. Oh no, that's something else, but I'll let you guys know what that is as soon as I take it down. I'm not gonna try to remove any of these things if I don't have to, but like I said, I'll let you guys know as I move along. Pretty sure the visors you're gonna have to remove, so let me get to it and I'll get back with you guys. And guys, I'm not gonna do this black suede thing on this thing. This is already black enough for me. I really don't give a damn. I'm not trying to screw this thing up, and let's say later on it kind of starts falling down. I don't want to deal with that crap, so we're gonna just go ahead and do that without the black suede. I did order it, but you know what, I don't need it. Forget about it. We'll probably use it for the first shin because that one is plastic, so I will probably adhere that to that headliner, and we'll probably do a Starlight on the first shin as well. But for this one, the black suede. So let's get back to it. All right, so this is a pain in the butt, and like I said, I went on YouTube. I didn't find much on it. Yeah, people point out certain the places I told you where to remove them. Yes, you're supposed to remove them. There were a few extra locations that you have to remove. I use a 10 millimeter on these right here. Now I was having a pain having to remove this because I didn't want to crease this at all. So you got to make sure you take off this the belt, remove that, and I don't remember the measurements were on that, and then make sure you pop this off. And then on this right here where the belt goes through, you want to kind of like pull it up and then pull down on it, and these little plastic things right here will come all the way down. Or not, you're gonna break this thing. I think I broke it. And then there were yeah, I think it was those two right there, those two sections right there, those two clips I think where you can hang stuff at. Those are T20s. The ones here along the sides, they were that were on this panel, they were it was just a Phillips screwdriver. And then you make sure you pop this out towards the side, and then you can remove that. And then over here there were two. There was one on top and one on the bottom. Pop them out, and then remove these right here. I think these were don't remember the measurements for that, but the ones for the big ones were 10 millimeters. So I'm assuming these were 9 millimeters. I didn't have it whenever I ordered that toolkit. I guess it was a 9 millimeter section, so a 9 millimeter would work. And then also where that section is that where you put your glasses, there's two screws, one right there, and then you see the one in the middle. But first remove the two screws along the sides. You take that out, and then you use a little tool like this one right here that has like a little curve to it or something like that, and then you kind of like pop it out, and then you'll see that last one in the middle, and then you just remove these two connectors. Right now I'm going to remove these two connectors so that way I can take this thing out. So yeah guys, and also remove the belt on these just like the ones in the back. So I'll show you on this right here. These are the two handles right here, one right here, and these are the 10 millimeter, and then you have your T20. I don't know if you can read that. And then this was supposed to be like a 9 millimeter, but it wasn't. It's a 5/16 to remove the smaller ones. And this one you use to remove the where the visors are at. So it's a pain in the butt. Like I said, I didn't see it on any of the videos. I guess a lot of people were trying to remove them like just as it was right there. But now let's, I guess the hard part. Well, we kind of got done with the hard part. Now let's go ahead and take it out. So we can set it on this little bench we got going on. All right, so we kind of ran into some difficulties. I guess I can't take this shit out, so I'm gonna have to do it here. And here's basically my layout. I'm gonna do like 50, I believe, on every single one of them to do 700 of those fibers. And like I said, back here I am trying to do a lot more towards the edges, on the corners, in the rear. So I gotta start doing my dots, and each one's gonna have 50. So let's see how this turns out. I'm not trying to have everything like in straight lines. I don't care for that. So yeah. All right, guys. So as you guys can see, I did like 121. I don't know why such an odd number. In the back, on both corners, then I did like 60 right there, another 60 along that edge, 60 on this edge, 30, 40 here, 20, and 20 and 20, something like that. So now I'm gonna start making the holes. I don't have that kind of pen, so I'm gonna just use this right here. I'm pretty sure should be good enough. We'll see. But yeah, we're gonna use this. So here is where we're standing. I'm doing the last bundle. I'm pretty sure I fucked that one up. I don't know how that happened. It's like a bird nest. I need to fix that whole thing. But I have like, I think it's like 350, well, probably about like 300 about right now, or 200 more left to go. So this is really frustrating. So make sure you eat something too while you're doing this crap. All right, so I finally got everything done. I gotta fix this mess that I got going on right here. The other one isn't that bad. So that's what we got going on so far. Now after this, I'm gonna go ahead and put the glue, hot glue it right here, everywhere where I put the damn strings at. And I'm gonna probably route all the thing over here. My bad, I'm talking freaking bad. And mount everything back up, and then I'll start to cut all of this stuff off once I have it up there, so that way if it moves or anything, I'll still have some adjustment to do. So yeah, let me go ahead and do that. All right, so far we put the glue all over it, as you can see right there. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put this back up and start routing all the cables. All right, so I need to figure out something. I didn't leave this long enough, so it could have came out like somewhere down here. It's fine anyways. There's not much you can do about it, but I gotta get some like plastic cover to cover all that right there. And now I'm just running the cable through back there. So you just pull this cover back out like this, ran it through here, pop this open, it's running all along here, remove this cover, and like I said, this is gonna just tap into the fuse box there. So whenever it needs to be something that is constantly on, so that way, like say if I have the truck off, I can still turn it on, just like I can have my, I don't want to put it on a switch. I mean, like, because obviously, I have the horns, I have the running lights, like the rock lights, and then I want to leave this for something. I don't know what I can use it for, but I want it for something else. So yeah, for right now, I'm just gonna have this hooked up to a fuse and just have it running on. So that's where we're standing at right now. But other than that, I got everything cut out already. I kind of see why people always do this way on it, but I still gotta kind of touch it up a little bit.